Hello children, welcome to the distance learning sessions through videos organized by Jnanamudra Vidya Mandir. Through this video, we will learn numbers and number names from 1001 to 10,000. Through this video, we will learn about obtaining the number 1000, representation of numbers using beads, representation of 4-digit numbers using Anabackers, building numbers to obtain 10,000. Come on, let us begin. Children, look here. We learned about representation of numbers using beads. This single bead represents the number 1. Beads are nothing but ಮಣಿಗಳು ಅಂತ ಏನು ಕರಿತೀವೋ, ಸೊ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಮಣಿ, ಇಟ್ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ಸ್ 1 1. This is a line of beads. The beads placed one beside the other, which looks like a line, and we can call this as a line of beads, in which there will be 10 beads. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 10 ಮಣಿಗಳಿರುತ್ತೆ, and this line of beads represents 110. Now let us recall some important things those we learned in class 2. 10 ones is equal to 110, as we see here. 10 tens is equal to 100, which is equal to 100 ones. Look at this picture here. 10 ones means there are 10 beads, 10 single beads here, so which we represent as a line of beads, which will be equal to 110. And if we have 10 such beads, line of beads, how many line of beads are here? Come on, let us count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. We have 10 line of beads. So these 10 line of beads is equal to 100. So if you place them one beside the other very close to each other like this, it forms a plate of beads. We can call this as a plate or panel of beads. There will be 100 beads in this panel, and this represents 100. So you should remember this. The largest one-digit number is 9. So all these we learned in class 2 and class 1, that the largest one-digit number is 9, and the smallest two-digit number is 10. The smallest two-digit number is obtained by adding 1 to the largest one-digit number. So how do we get the smallest two-digit number, that is 10? So 10 can be obtained by adding 1 to the largest one-digit number, that is 9. So we can write that as 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. Showing the same in terms of beads. So here we have 9 beads. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10 ones. 10 beads are here. So if they are aligned along a line, it will be equal to 110. That is 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. The smallest two-digit number is obtained by adding 1 to the largest one-digit number. The largest two-digit number is 99. The smallest three-digit number is 100. The smallest three-digit number is obtained by adding 1 to the largest two-digit number, that is 99 plus 1 is equal to 100. So to obtain smallest three-digit number, what we do is we add 1 to the largest two-digit number, which gives us 99 plus 1 is equal to 100. Representing the same fact in using beads, 99. So if you count here, we have 9 line of beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we have 9 single beads here, 9 ones. So these 9 tens plus these 9 ones together becomes 99. 99 plus 1 is equal to, so if we add one bead to it, so this go and sit somewhere here, which looks like this. So 9 line beads and 10 single beads. These 9 plus 1 becomes 10 now, and these 10 ones can be aligned on a line to form one single line of beads in which there will be 10 beads. So now we have 10 tens. So 10 tens is equal to 100. So this is how we get 100 by adding 1 to the 99. 99 is the largest two-digit number and 100 is the smallest three-digit number, which is obtained by adding 1 to the largest two-digit number, that is 99. The largest three-digit number is 999. The smallest four-digit number is 1000. The smallest four-digit number is obtained by adding 1 to the largest three-digit number, that is 999 plus 1 is equal to 1000. 1000 can be obtained by adding 1 to the 999, which is the largest three-digit number. Showing this using beads, here we have 9 panel or plate of beads. So each panel contains 100 beads. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This makes 900. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 line of beads. This represents 90. And we have 9 single beads here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This represents the number 9. All the three together, 999. So this represents 999. This represents 900, and these lines of beads represents the number 90, and these ones represents 9. So altogether these represents the number 999, and here we have one bead. 999 plus 1 is equal to 1000. So we will get a block of beads. You can call this as a cube of beads or a block of beads. In this, there will be 1000 beads. So we use this block of beads to represent the number 1000. Remember this fact. So let us see how do we get the number 1000 or to obtain the number 1000. What we did is we used the 9 panels of beads or 9 plates of beads, which makes the number 900, and we have 9 line of beads here which represents the number 90, and we have 9 single beads here which represents the number 9. Altogether the number formed is 999 plus 1. We are adding 1 bead to this 999 beads. And when we add this, so this bead is placed at this place here. So now we have all these are same. Here we have 9 plates of beads and 9 lines of beads, and we have 10 single beads here. So now we have 9 hundreds, 9 tens here, 9 tens and 10 ones. These are 10 ones. So now these 10 ones is equal to 110. We can replace this. We can replace these 10 ones by 110. So when we do that, we will get like this. So now we have 9 hundreds. We have 9 hundreds, that is 9 plates of beads and 10 tens. So 10 lines of beads we have. So we have 10 tens. So these 10 tens can be replaced by 100. These 10 line beads can be replaced by one panel of beads which represents 100, because 10 tens is equal to 100. So when we do that, we will get like this. Here we have 10 hundreds. Let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now we have 10 hundreds. So these 10 hundreds can be replaced by one block of beads which contain 1000. Here also, if we count the single beads, in every plate of beads there will be 100 beads. So if you go on counting, so there will be 1000 beads altogether here. So instead of using these plates of beads, we can use a single block of beads in which there will be 1000 beads. So this is how we obtain the number 1000. So what we did today is we added 1 to the largest 3-digit number to obtain the smallest 4-digit number, that is 999 plus 1 is equal to 1000. We represented the same using the beads also, as we did here. Hereafter, wherever we use the block of beads that represents 1000, which will be equal to 10 hundreds. That is 10 hundreds make 1000. Remember this fact. Representation of numbers using beads. So this single bead is 1 1. We learned all these in class 1 and class 2 itself. The single bead represents the number 1. And this is a line of beads in which there will be 10 beads which represents 110, or simply we can say this represents the number 10. And this is a panel or plate of beads in which there will be 100 beads which represents the number 100. The new thing that we learned today through this video is this is a block or cube of beads in which there will be 1000 beads, and hence this represents the number 1000. So what does this block of beads represents, dear children? Yes, this block of beads represents 1000. It represents 1000. There will be 1000 beads in such a block of beads. And if we have two such blocks, one block represents 1000. If we have two such blocks, what number does these two blocks together represents? Yes, these two blocks represents the number 2000. So you should learn how to write the number 2000 and the number name 2000. And if we have some more, how many blocks are here? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 blocks here. Value of each block is equal to 1000. Then what is the number represented by these 8 blocks together? Yes, the number represented by 8 blocks of beads is equal to 8000. 8000 is written as 8 followed by 3 zeros. You should remember the place values also. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, and this is thousands place. 8 is in the thousands place. So this represents the number 8000. The number name is EIGHT THOUSAND, 8000. Further, if you have, so how many blocks are here? Let us count the number of blocks here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we have 10 blocks of beads. What is the number represented by these 10 blocks of beads? The number is 10,000. That is 10 thousands make 1/10,000. So each block contains 1000 beads, and we have 10 such blocks here, and which is equal to 10 thousands. So 10 thousands of beads make 1/10,000. So altogether the number represented by these 10 blocks is 10,000. So this is how we use the beads or blocks of beads to represent the numbers in thousands. Representation of 4-digit numbers in an abacus. So using an abacus, we represent 4-digit numbers. Let us see how we represent the numbers using an abacus. So to represent a 4-digit number on an abacus, we need to use an abacus having 4 rods. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rods. So here some letters are written above the rods of these. What does these letters represent? Here O represents ones place, and T represents tens place, and H represents hundreds place, and this TH, capital T, small h. So TH represents thousands place. So these are the 4 rods representing 4 different places in a number. The rod towards the right extreme represents ones place, and the second rod from right represents the tens place, and the third rod from right represents the hundreds place, and the fourth rod of the abacus from right represents thousands place. Remember the places represented by these rods of an abacus. Now with this knowledge, we will learn how to represent 4-digit numbers using an abacus. Let us take some examples. Example number 1. Here we have an abacus with 4 rods, and we see one bead on the thousands place rod, and we are not having any bead on hundreds place rod, tens place rod, and ones place rod. What is the number represented by this abacus? So since we have only one bead on thousands place rod, let us write the number 1 just below this rod. And the number of beads represented by this rod, no beads are there, which represents the number 0. Let us write 0 here. There is no bead here also, so we write 0 here. Again, there is no bead here also, we will write 0 here. So now, if we look at all these digits together, this is a 4-digit number, and here 1 is in which place? Thousands place, and this number represents 1000. Number name of this number is 1000. And if we want to represent the same number using beads, how do we represent? Yes, a block of beads represents 1000. There will be 1000 beads in this block, and hence such a block of beads represents the number 1000. You should know both ways of representing numbers, using an abacus and using beads. Let us move to example number 2 to represent a 4-digit number in an abacus. So again, here we have an abacus with 4 rods, and this time we have different number of beads on each rods. Let us see. So how many beads are there on thousands rod? Yes, there are 2 beads. Let us write down 2 just below that rod. How many beads are here? 1, 2, 3. So 3 beads are here on hundreds place rod. So we will write the number 3 here. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 beads on tens place rod. So we will write 4 just below this rod here. And we have only one bead here on ones place rod, and we will write the digit 1 here. So all these digits together, here we have a 4-digit number 2, 3, 4, 1. So together the number formed by these digits, also the number represented by this abacus is, the number name of this number is 2341. 2341. Along with learning the representation of numbers on an abacus, you should also learn the 4-digit numbers and the number names also. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರನ್ನು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, ನಂಬರ್ ನೇಮ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಅಥವಾ ವರ್ಡ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯೂಮರಲ್ಸನ್ನು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನೀವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. So if we wish to represent the same number using beads, how do we represent? So here we have 2341. To represent 2000, we need two blocks of beads. So these two blocks of beads represents 2000. Each block represents 1000. Therefore, two such blocks together represents the number 2000. So 2000, next we have 300. So we need three plates of beads. 1, 2, 3. So these three plates of beads represents the number 300. Then we have 4 at tens place, which represents the number 40. Place value of 4 here is 40. So we need 4 line of beads. 1, 2, 3, 4. So these 4 line of beads represents 40, and we have 1 in one's place. We need a single bead also. So now all these beads together represents the number 2341. This is 2000, these 3 together 300, these 4 together 40, and this is 1. All together here we have 2341 beads. I hope you are understanding the both ways of representing numbers using an abacus and using beads. Now let us move to number 3. Here we have an abacus with the 4 rods again, and how many beads are there on thousands place rod here? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what we should write below the thousands place rod? We should write 8 here. 8. How many beads are there on hundreds place rod? Yes, there are no beads. That means this represents 0. Here also no beads. Here we will write 0. Here also there are no beads. We will write 0 just below this rod. Therefore, the number represented by this abacus is 8000. The number name is written as 8000. So this is how we represent the number 8000 using abacus. And if we wish to represent the same number using beads, we should have 8 blocks of beads. That I have not done here. You should know. Representation of 4-digit numbers in an abacus. Example number 4. So here we have 4 rods again. To represent any 4-digit number, we should have 4 rods of an abacus. Let us count the number of beads on thousands place rod. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We will write 9 here. There are no beads, 0 here. There is only one bead, 1 here. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Write 7 here. So what is the number name of this? This is a 4-digit number with 9 at thousands place, 0 at hundreds place, 1 at tens place, and 7 at ones place. The number name of this number is 9017. 9017. So here we considered 4 examples to represent 4-digit numbers on the abacus. Similarly, you should do or write the numbers represented by the abacus which are given in the exercise. Building numbers. Now we will learn how to build the numbers up to 10,000. When 1 is added to any number, we obtain the next higher number. Let us see the meaning of this. If 1 is added to 1000, we get 1001. When 1 is added to 1001, we get 1002. When we add 1 to 1002, we get 1003, and so on. If we keep on adding 1 to the next higher number, we will get we will get next higher and higher numbers. That is, when we add 1 to 1009, we get 1010. And when we add 1 to 1010, we get 1011. 1011 plus 1 is 1012. 1012 plus 1 is equal to 1013, and so on. If we add 1 to 1019, we get 1020. So if you continue adding like this, or if you go on adding the numbers like this, so at some stage we get 1090 plus 1, which gives us 1091, and 1091 plus 1 is equal to 1092. 1092 plus 1 is equal to 1093, and so on. At the bottom of this line, we get 1099 plus 1 is equal to 1100. So when we write, starting from this point, if we go on writing the 100 numbers, we will get the number 1100. If we continue writing the numbers like this, we will get next higher and higher numbers. Here we have some more examples. As we observed, 1009 plus 1 is equal to 1010, and 1019 plus 1 is equal to 1020. 1029 plus 1 is equal to 1030, and so on. That means when we add 1 to the number having 9 in its ones place or tens place or hundreds place, when we add the number 1 to it, the numbers are rearranged. That is, here we get 1010, 1010. Here we get 1020. Here we get 1030 when we add 1 to 1029. The simple thing is, when we add number 1 to any such number, we will get the next higher number. And let us see some more examples. Here we have 1099 plus 1 gives us 1100. 1199 plus 1 gives 1200. 1299 plus 1 gives 1300, and so on. If you add 1 to 1399, you will get 1400, like that. So if you go on adding the numbers, we will get higher and higher numbers. Here we have some more examples. 1999 plus 1 is 2000. 2999 plus 1 is equal to 3000. 3999 is plus 1 is equal to 4000, and so on. So this is just to show you that how we get next higher numbers when we add 1 to any number. So if we go on writing the numbers like that, at some stage we will reach, starting from 1001, if we write 9000 numbers, we will get a stage where finally we have, or we get 9999, and if we add 1 to it, the number obtained is 10,000. So like this, if you go on writing the numbers, at some stage we will get the number 9999, which is the largest 4-digit number, and adding 1 to the largest 4-digit number, we will get 10,000, which is the smallest 5-digit number. 10,000 is the smallest 5-digit number. So this is how we will get the number 10,000. Since today's topic was numbers and number names from 1001 to 10,000, so through this video we learned how to obtain the number 10,000. I hope you understood all these things we discussed today. My dear children, I hope you enjoyed this video and learned new things. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.